Hello viewers, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're also very much welcome. So guys, today we'll be making a beautiful kimono jacket, and the things you would need include tailor's chalk, because I'll be doing a freehand method. I'll be using a freehand method to make this jacket. And then you will need your pattern tools, and also you will need like 2 to 3 yards of fabric depending on the size of the client you're working for. And also, if you'll be adding a collar and a turn-up sleeve, you need about 1 yard of the plain fabric. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to cut the fabric into 2 equal halves, and also fold both of them into 2 equal halves. Then I'll be marking my start line. It's usually 1 inch from the edge of my fabric. And then after marking my start line, I'll choose a neck width of 3.5 inches and a neck depth of 1 inch. And I'll be curving it. And after that, I'll be marking my across back. And that's for my client is 16 inches. So 16 inches divided by 2 is 8. And after that, I'll be marking my shoulder slope. I'm making use of 12 for this project. You can choose as short as or as long as you want. Then from there, I'll be marking my sleeve opening. I made use of 9 inches for this project. You can make yours 8 inches. You can even make yours about 10 inches depending on what you want. Then after that, I'll go ahead and mark my hip line. From my nape to my hip line is between 24 to 25 inches. So after marking my hip line, on that hip line, I'll be marking my client's hip, which is 44 divided by 4, and that's 11. Then I'll be adding 2 to 3 inches allowance depending on how big I want my kimono to be. And then I'll transfer the same measurements to my hem. And from my hem, I'll be connecting the straight line, and then also I'll connect back from my sleeve opening to that line. I'll be adding my 1/2 inch seam allowance at my sleeve. I'll also add 1/2 inch seam allowance at my shoulder slope, and after that I'll go ahead and also add 1/2 inch seam allowance on my neckline. After doing that, I'll cut out. Don't forget I'm cutting both the front piece and the back piece at the same time. So guys, I've taken out the back piece and I want to start cutting my front piece. So I'll measure from the neckline and I'll mark 10 inches from there, and then I'll come outward by 1 inch and mark that 1 inch all the way down. Then I'll come all the way up again and connect from that 1 inch outward. I'll connect it back to my 3.5 inches neck width, like so. And I'll connect all the way down. And next thing I'll do is to take my scissors and cut that center piece out of the way. So now my front piece is ready, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to join my back piece and my front piece together. That is the only way I'll be able to get the measurements for my front collar. So guys, after joining my back piece and front piece together, that is also the time I'll be able to get the measurement for my turn-up sleeve. So guys, I'll go ahead now and take the measurements of my sleeve like so. So for this project, I got 18 inches for the length of my sleeve, and I'll also choose 2 inches for the width of my sleeve, and that makes it a total of 5 inches for my width. So I've gotten 18 by 5 for my sleeve. So now for the main bodies, I'll first of all hem by 1.5. Then after hemming, I'll measure it like so all the way from the hem to the other side of the hem. Don't forget that this is done after joining my shoulders. So guys, for this project I got 100 inches, and also I'll be making use of 5 inches for my width as well, because I want, after folding and joining, I'll have 2 inches as the width of my collar. So for this I'll be cutting 100 by 5. So for my collar, 100 inches by 5 inches, and for my sleeve I'll be cutting 18 inches by 5 inches. So guys, I will go and give everything a very good press, and I will weave, and I'll also hem my outfits, and I'll do that and come and show you how to attach the sleeve and the collar. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this tutorial so far. So guys, I have gone ahead to hem my outfit and giving it a good press. Everything is all looking nice and clean and ready to receive the collar and the sleeve. So guys, I'll be showing you how to pin the sleeve. So for the sleeve, I have gone ahead to weave like so. My sleeve is excess. I did it intentionally just to avoid issues. So guys, I'll go ahead and pin my sleeve like so. This is how I'll be attaching it, like this. And this is the essence. So after sewing half an inch, I'll chop off the excess. I'll give it a very good press like this. And also for the collar, I'll go ahead from the hem. From the collar, I'll go ahead and pin it this way. Look at how long my collar is. So I'll just pin it like so. Yeah. I'll be attaching it from here, like so. Like so. Can you see, guys? I hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is how I'm going to be attaching it. Like so. So I'll be attaching it, pinning it like this, all the way, all the way round, all the way, all the way. I'll be inserting it in between. I hope you guys can understand what I'm doing and the movement of my fabric and what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm attaching it all the way, all the way, all the way, pinning it like this all the way. So this collar goes round from here to the end. So guys, if you've come this far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like my video, make a comment, share your experience, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I'll be attaching this collar, and this will be the end of the tutorial. But I will show you my end. I will show you a video of the end result. Thank you so much for staying till the end. See you in my next channel, guys. Bye.